The Goa Liberation Day is celebrated on 19th December. Goa Liberation Day is celebrated on 19th December. The Goa University was established in the year 1985. The National Center for Antarctic and Ocean Research is located in Vasco da Gama. It's a city in Goa. Which one is the headquarters of South Goa district? Answer is Margao. In which year Goa captured and annexed by the Portuguese? In 1510. Which newspaper is the oldest Goan edition English daily? O Heraldo. Which one is the official flower of Goa? Jasmine. Who is the first governor of Goa after the formation of Goa state? Gopal Singh. Who is the longest serving chief minister of Goa? Pratap Singh Rane. Total number of members in the Goa Legislative Assembly is 40. Who is the first Speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly? P.P. Shirokar. Who was the first Chief Minister after Goa attained statehood in 1987? Pratap Singh Rane. Which one is officially state recognized fruit in Goa? Answer is cashew. Which one city has the only municipal corporation in Goa? Answer is Panaji. In which year the churches and convents of Goa were declared a World Heritage State? In 1986. Who was the first Portuguese viceroy of Goa? Francisco de Almeida. Who is also known as the father of Goan nationalism? T.B. Kunya. Which act was amended by Goa government to allow women to work in night shifts? Answer is Factory Act 1948. Which one is the largest beach in Goa? Answer is Kalangut Beach. The Dudhsagar Falls is located on the Mandovi River. Which one is officially recognized state mammal of Goa? Answer is Gaur. Who is the current governor of Goa? P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Which is the Goa state tree? Asna terminalia elliptic. Who is the first governor of Goa? Answer Major General K.S. Himasinchi. Who was the last ruler of Goa? Answer is Portuguese. What is the literacy rate of Goa in 2011 census? 88.7%. When did Goa become a state? Answer is 30th May 1987. Which is the capital of Goa? Panaji. Number of parliamentary constituencies in Goa state? Answer is 2. Mahalsa Narayani temple located in which village of Goa? Answer is Mardal. Which one is the highest peak in Goa? Answer Sonsogar. Which one is the largest city by area wise in Goa? Answer is Vasco da Gama. In which year the Operation Vijay was conducted, resulting in the annexation of Goa? 1961. Which one is the longest beach in Goa? Answer is Kolwa Beach. In which year the Portuguese moved the capital from Old Goa to Panaji? Answer 1843. What is the area of Goa? 1429 square meters. Which one is the official language of Goa? Answer is Konkani. Which parts of India is located at the mouth of the Zuari estuary in Goa? Answer is Marmagua Port. Total number of districts in Goa? Answer is 2. Who is the first Goan to receive Padma Shri Award? Answer is Balkrishna Bhagwant Bhokar.